Hey everyone, I was going to talk you around our heritage restoration here at the Building 4x4 show in Northampton. So this came into us as a donor vehicle, as a 90, jacked up on 4-inch lift suspension van. A little bit tired, a little bit tatty, very tired, very tatty to be perfectly honest. And the customer spec'd a heritage style look and finish to the vehicle with a few little subtle sort of modern tweaks in there that I'll show you when we get to the interior. So this 90 has been built from the ground up, complete chassis restoration, bespoke parts put throughout as per customers' requirements. We've got aircon, we've got heated seats. It's due to be exported shortly, and let me take you around the rest of the vehicle. So you join me in the interior now, this heritage restoration. We do this in a number of obviously the heritage colours, and to be honest, any colour the customer wants. This has got our diamond quilted finish in that heritage sort of tan material. We have matching dash trim panels as well, and as I mentioned before, it's got a few modern touches in here. It's got aircon, it's got heated seats. It's also got a Puma dashboard as well. We use OEM original Puma dashboards in the older Defenders to really modernise the look and the feel, to actually give a little bit more space for the controls as well. So they're actually centralised now in the middle console. We have a 7-inch double-din display, touchscreen display. It is satellite radio because it's going to the USA. It has Bluetooth phone capabilities, all that sort of modern jazz on there. All the controls in the centre as well. We've got USB charge points in here as well for our customer. As I said, aircon in there. Centre display for the controls, LED digital displays, so you can actually see the dials at night, which is a novel thing for some of the Defenders. And it just makes driving and the safety aspect as well a lot better on this vehicle. We've also got a lockable cubby box in the centre as well, so it doesn't mean you're sort of at risk of your essentials going walkies. You can put them in there and you can lock the cubby box as well. So really, really nice finish. You'll also notice, and we'll see this when we go around to the rear of the vehicle, it's got a canvas roof on this. I said originally this was a 90 van when it came into us, so a hard top. Customer wanted a canvas roof on here, so this is a full canvas roof all the way back. We do them in black, we do them in tan. There can be some other colours as well. The customer went for black for this one, just so it didn't stand out too much with the tan colour. Really, really nice vehicle, and we're really happy with the quality of this, and the customer's over the moon with the final finish as well. Project like this, about 3 to 4 months to complete. That's whether you're providing us with a donor vehicle or we're sourcing a vehicle for you. The actual start of the build project, you're looking at about 3 to 4 months. A little bit dependent on the standard of the donor vehicle. If you're interested in getting your vehicle restored, fully restored, chassis up restoration, or just even some light refurbishment, doors a little bit tired, you're looking for new doors, whatever it may be, contact us today. You can reach us on our website, on phone, on any of our social medias, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, etc. And we'll see what we can do for you to get your Defender up to scratch and how you want it to be.